Hello, I hope this video finds you well. We are going to be working on a scavenger hunt, and it has to do with graphing, which we went over that briefly, but I just want to review a few things just to verify that it makes sense. So for example, if we would have like x is greater than 5 or x is greater than or equal to 5, this is just saying in this situation over here, x can be 5 because it can be equal to 5, and 5 is equal to 5, so that will be true. This could be 6 or 7 or 8 or any number that is 5 or larger. Over here, x cannot be 5 because, I'm just trying to think, sorry. X cannot be 5 because it has to be larger. So it could be 5.5 or 6 or 7 or 100 or any number that's larger. When we're graphing these and we have our greater than and less than symbols with a less than, I think of it as an L that got squished. We just have a greater than and less than. We don't do anything special. So when we do our graphing, we just have an open circle and we don't do anything special. When we have a greater than or less than and equal to, we have to do something extra. So when we graph, we have to do something extra, which is fill in that circle. So when we're graphing, we're always going to look at this other number. And if here's our 0, and here's 5, here's 10, and here's like -10, we're going to have our open circle because there's nothing extra. We're going to go to the 5 because you go to whatever number is up there with your letter, your variable. And we know the x has to be larger, so our arrow is going to go up towards the larger numbers. Over here, it's going to be similar. Make our 10, or -10, 0. Here's our 5. Here, it can be greater than or equal to. The equal to is a little extra. So our little circle is going to have a little something extra. And we know that it can be 5, but it can be larger. So we're going to go towards the larger numbers. When we're doing our one-step inequalities, it's just like our one-step equations. So over here, we're going to do our scavenger hunt. I'm going to do this first one as an example. So you're going to start at number 1. And the directions were, it's up here. Solve and graph number 1, then find the matching graph. So you're going to solve this problem and find the graph that matches it, which is the next problem. So you're not going in order. So like, let's say that we're going to solve this, we're going to graph it, and then we're going to find the graph that matches. So when we do our one step, it's just like if this was the equal sign. So x plus 4 is less than -3. So we need to get x by itself. In order to do this, we need to subtract 4 from both sides. Go thin. Make this bigger. So I'm going to go -4, -4. Here's our line, just like before. That leaves us with x is less than, remember, it's our squished L, -3 minus 4 is -7. This is our answer right here. X is less than -7. So to do this, I am going to create a -7. I'm just going to put it here. Doesn't, like, where you put it really doesn't matter. I know that it's going to be an open circle because it's not equal to, there's nothing extra. So I'm going to have an open circle, and x is going to be less than or smaller, meaning we move away from 0. We're going more negative. So I need to find a graph that looks like this. So -7 Here's a -7 with an open circle going away. So then I'm going to come down here, and this is going to be my next one. Oh. So just see one thing. Yep, so I just want to verify. So yep, and here you're going to put a number 2. So here's my text, and I'm just going to put a 2 because this is the second one that I've completed. There you go, 2. Okay, so in this one, zoom back in so you can see it. Well, let me get my pen. I have x plus 8 is greater than or equal to, I did something extra, so I know my circle is going to be closed because it's something extra, is greater than or equal to 5. Well, I need to subtract 8 from both sides. 5 minus 8 is -3, leaving me with x is greater than or equal to -3. I'm going to put -3 here. I know it's a closed circle because it can be equal to -3. And x is larger, greater than. So we're going to go towards 0. So I need to find a -3 closed circle going towards 0. -3 closed circle towards 0. Perfect. Go hit my text. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put number 3. Do 2 more with you. So I gotta get my pen back. So here, I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So that is going to get rid of this. See ya. Leaving, sorry. It's fine. Leaving us with 6. So x is going to be greater than 6. It's going to be an open circle because there's nothing extra. So I'll put my 6 in the middle. My open circle. And x is larger. So I'm going to go up because 7's larger, 8's larger, 9's larger. So I need an open circle at 6 going up. Open circle at 6 going up. Where's a closed circle? Here's an open circle at 6 going up. So this is my number 4. This will be the last one I'm doing with you. So here, 3 is less than or equal to, so it's going to be a closed circle because there's something extra. So 3 is less than or equal to x plus 10. Okay. Well, to do this, I need to get my pen. And then I'm going to do minus 10. Minus 10. 3 minus 10 is -7. -7 is less than or equal to x. This can also be written as x is greater than or equal to -7. These are the same exact things. Either way, your alligator's eating the x. So I'm going to put -7 on my number line. I know it's going to be a closed circle. And x is larger, meaning that it's going to go towards 0. So I need a closed circle at 7 going up at -7. Closed circle, here we go. It's down here. Here, do number 5. Perfect. So we're going to do this. It's going to be on your page. And then when we're done this, we are going to do a Nearpod for practice. And then we'll just start this with two-step. And then we'll start word problems. So let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, see you later. Bye.